Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making Elk Bourguignon. This recipe takes 45 minutes to prep and 3 hours to cook, serves 8 to 10 and is advanced difficulty. Ingredients: 4 pounds elk chuck, thick-cut bacon strips, 1 bottle, 750 milliliters, red Burgundy wine, 2 cups beef stock, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 1 large onion, 2 carrots, 1 pound pearl onions, 1 pound mushrooms, 4 cloves garlic, 3 sprigs fresh thyme, 2 bay leaves, 3 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons butter, salt and pepper to taste, and fresh parsley for garnish. Step 1. Bacon cooking. Cook chopped bacon in Dutch oven until crispy, about 4 to 5 minutes. Remove bacon, reserve fat. Step 2. Elk browning. Season elk cubes with salt and pepper. Brown in batches in bacon fat over medium-high heat, about 6 minutes per batch. Remove and set aside. Step 3. Vegetable base. Sauté diced onion and carrots in same fat until softened, about 8 minutes. Step 4. Flour addition. Sprinkle flour over vegetables and cook 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Step 5. Deglazing. Add wine, scraping up browned bits. Add stock, tomato paste, herbs, and browned elk. Bring to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 6. Braising. Cover and cook in 325 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 2 hours until elk is fork tender. Step 7. Vegetable addition. Add pearl onions and mushrooms. Continue cooking 45 minutes more. Step 8. Finishing. Remove bay leaves and thyme stems. Stir in reserved bacon and butter. Adjust seasoning. And that's how you make Elk Bourguignon. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.